Hello guys, it's your boy Slick back with another video, and we're at Mid-Florida Cars and Grub at Horses Ranch. This is the first time I'm here. I had to really read that. I had to read that real time. We ain't even gonna look at cars first. We gotta look at some horses. Oh my god, they got a donkey, bro. They got a donkey and a horse. Oh yo, look at that. Dude, I don't get to see horses all that much because I live in the city. The only horses I see is the assholes that can't cross the street when there's a green light. Other than that, these are some majestic animals. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, they got a General Lee in here. They got a Camaro. Oh, they got this little thing. I don't even remember what this is called. They got this big truck, you know. Oh, is this the white privilege one? Oh man, they should have put white privilege in the front of it to troll everybody. A Corvette, a boat with a V8 in it. I don't even know what that is. Like what type of motor that is. Truck guy. It's pretty dumb. This is pretty cool too. I don't know anything about the trucks. They got a Trans Am in here. It's pretty good. Oh, they got a 3rd gen Supra. It must be fully stocked. This is the last, probably the last fully stocked 3rd gen Supra in the world, probably. Oh, they got both of the generation of these generation of Trans Am and the Superbird. Did they come stock like that? That looked like a soft top, but it probably isn't. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna stop a little montage here. We got a Rivian. I see these all the time, but I've never got to see these in person. Oh, this is pretty dope. You don't mind if we, oh, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Finally get to see a Rivian on the inside. At least it's not like Tesla where they have like nothing but the screen in the middle. That's stupid. But they got this big compartment here. You got a compartment here, and you got the bed here. Oh, that got the living hell out of me too. I ain't gonna lie. That was pretty good. That scared me too. I was like, holy smoke. But back to the preview. So this is not that bad for a pickup truck. I mean, if you don't have to go far, this is a good truck to get. But other than that, nah. Bro, look at this. They got the mudding trucks out now. I don't even know what the heck this is. This looks like a dirt car. I don't even know what engine they put in that. What engine did they put in this? This is an LS? That look like an LT. Then they got another mud truck. Then they got a... Bro, this dude... Yo, he gapping everybody. Like, you don't even want to race that guy. And then you got the normal setup or whatever. You got a normal setup for everybody with their chargers and stuff like that. But now this is crazy. Oh, you don't even get to see these much. And then you got him still on the trailer. But now look at this Technica, bro. Oh, we got the supercar lineup over here. So we got an R33 over here. Oh, homie's here. His wife is here. That's one of the homies' wife with the S2K. Technica, RS. That looks like RS3. All right, I'm good with my Audis today. Dodge Viper Gen 2 or Gen 3 GTS. We got a Cayman GT4 RS. Oh man, these things are sick. Like, you got the carbon fiber wolf and Wolf's Den. I see this all the time on their Instagram. But yeah, this thing is nice. Along with this McLaren 650S. So you got a 650S and ooh, GT4. I forgot the name of the guy that owns this one here, but pretty cool. Okay, so we got a Genesis 2.0, fully built motor, built turbo. I mean, big turbo. Now I said built turbo. This carbon fiber, it looks like he needs a new one. I don't like how carbon fiber like ages like that. It looks kind of green. But now you got the roll cage in the back. You got that going on. Race car, fully race car. the carbon fiber clear coat is gone, but that chassis mount wing is crazy. Oh, that's gonna be dope. And that bit, he got a thing that says Tome. Got him. I seen this guy in a Facebook group, man. This thing is sick to see in person. So he bought the car like this. The previous owner did that. I'm not even a big fan of like stance and the wide body, but they made this RX-8 clean. So GT500, this might be in the garage one day or pretty soon, because they're getting kind of cheap now. GT500, these things are sick. I like this body style. Oh my god, this thing is sick. So we got a C8. Oh, this is I don't even know. So, this is a Stingray actually. Oh, that thing is nice. I like the orange. The orange and the black. You can't go wrong with the orange and the black. Let's see what this interior looks like. I can't even see the interior because it's so dark. But yeah, those wheels are nice. Obviously, still stock. I'd probably go with a white wheel with the orange. Probably go with a white wheel, like an ESR 07 or something like that.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Get it.
Oh my god, that shit is crazy.
Cover your ears when he does that.
Cover your ears, close your eyes, close your nose. That is so bad. Oh my god. So to come to find out that fan is not working. I said that we need to hot wire that fan, everybody just started laughing. Stuff like that I wish I get on camera. But that's tough. Okay, so this is the Burnout King right here. He got rubber band tires, so I hope he got spares. I hope it's not loud like the Mustang. Uh-oh. Come on, bro. Come on. I thought he was Burnout King. I thought he was Burnout King. What happened? He's as much as the Burnout King as Burger King. What's going on?
I thought the Mustang would be a problem, man. This guy, he all over the place tonight.
Who got wheel chocks?
Come on,
He is struggling.
I got it.
He's done. He's done. He don't want to break nothing.
Cut it. I can't see shit. You can't see shit. No, don't hit me. I'm gonna be right over here, all right?
Don't hit the crowd.
Keep your headlights on, shit.
I'm scared, bro. Yo, he
1, 2, 3.
Open diff. Ooh. No, they ain't trash. That's open diff. Get it right now. Open diff. That's
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh no. No, that's it. Yo, who got a welder? Let's weld his diff.
Nobody wants to let that Mustang out. I think the Mustang's the best one so far.
That's a wrap.
What? One more?
Oh, that wheel hop is crazy. He should have went in reverse and then slammed in and drive. Alright, we got FHP double D. Let's see, you gonna do a burnout.
Alright, y'all ready for that one wheel?
Toxic service. Big booty Latina. Oh, what's going on? Double.
Oh, they're doing a back-to-back?
Oh, this is Fast and the Furious type crap. Uh-oh.
Alright, somebody be on that side. Safety guys, be on that side. Keep your eye on this one. I'll keep your eye on this one over here. Ready?
Okay, this is scary now.
You ready? Okay, ready?
They think they Dom Toretto on Brian O'Connor.
You're going to fucking hell for that shit.
1, 2, 3. Like that?
Yeah. Mustang still did it better.
Man. Right there's good, right there's good.
You know it's about to go down when he got a cigarette in his hand.
Look at smoking a 305 where he's smoking his tires.
That's that 305 light, menthol. You can't see nothing, bro. Holy freaking smokes. Oh my God. That was nuts. That was crazy. I ain't never seen a bird out like that. Yo, this is like Cletus and cars. Yo, all we're missing right now is an American flag. That's all we're missing. Because this is what we do in America. Yeah, his truck broke. His truck broke. That was in. He probably overheated. That was cool. Oh, that was fun. Oh, his drone hit the truck? Oh, that's tough. Man, that thing, he could have pulled if he was to be patient, he could have pulled him.
What they were doing trying to get each other to do the burnout.
Yeah. But he kept losing traction. Like if he just like put that bitch like 4 low, he would have pulled him. Cause he was spinning too much.
Step back, 2 feet from the cone.
Alright, we stepping back.
Make sure y'all have an exit strategy.
Exit strategy? What exit strategy? What exit strategy?
I'm about to flight.
They got a whole baby car sitting behind us. Yo, that tire debeated, yo. Look at that right tire. Doesn't that look like it debeated? I guess at full set, huh? Who got some lighter fluid and a lighter? Match. We're gonna set this on fire. Yep.
That's the old school way.
We got certified right now.
Back tires to the bleach. You give it a little shot when you're doing a burnout.
So this is what you do when it's old in the Zuzu. Like, did they custom build these frames or something? Like, what is this? Okay, that's crazy. Oh shit! Oh my god! Yeah, that was crazy. You gonna lose, bro? Don't even. Oh my god, that was so scary. My life insurance policy does not want to see this right now. I'm going to get dropped. Oh no, he's just showing out now.
But it's cool, right?
Hell yeah, big time. That is not safe. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is not safe.
Hey, we got time to run now.
Oh.
I think we got time to run.
Who you telling? I'm about to jump. I'm gonna turn into. I'm gonna be like 10 gold medalists Olympic out here, bro. Like what? I'm gonna cross the sport mode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh-oh. I don't even know what. Oh, it's an S15. The wall. Hit the curb.